Hey guys, we are going to go over the rules of exponents with you. To start off, I'm going to discuss the product property of exponents. And in order to use this rule, the bases need to be the same, and then you would add the exponents. So x to the 4th power times x to the 3rd power, it equals x to the 7th power. And you get this answer because you add the 4 and the 3.
So for the zero property rule, anything to the 0 power is 1. Anything to the 0 power is 1. So for this example, we're going to be using 5 to the 0 power, and all you're going to be doing here is dividing the base by itself. So you'll be getting 1.
To find the quotient, you must first have the same base. You must subtract the bottom exponent, which is 4, and from the top exponent, which is 15. Once you have subtracted, you end up with your answer, which is 7 to the 11th power.
Another rule is the power property of exponent. If a base is being raised in parentheses, then you multiply the outer exponent. In this case, 6 times 2, which equals 12.
When having a negative exponent, you must jump the fraction bar, making the negative exponent become positive. In this example, the negative 2 becomes positive and multiply 5 twice. Then this becomes 1 over 25, which is your final answer. In this other example, the exponent is negative and jumping the fraction line, multiplying 5 twice again, which then becomes 25 over 1, which is equal to 25.
For the power of product property, what you'll be doing is just distributing the power of each of the bases. So in this example, what we did was we distributed the 4 to each of the bases, and we got a to the power of 4 times b to the power of 4.
Thank you for watching our video.